What's up, guys? So today we're gonna go do a little fishing trip here in the neighborhood. Get out of the house just for a little bit. We'll be away from everyone else. It's just a local spot. Usually when we go, there's no one there at all. So
hello anh em. Bà con go back. Bây giờ mình đi câu cá. Nó đang kêu ở nhà, but mình ở nhà chán quá, phải đi chơi. Trốn ra đi chơi. Okay.
what's up, guys? So we're here at the lake. Get a little fishing in, a little relaxation, a little fresh air. A little bit of just getting out of the house during the shelter-in-place orders. So let's try to catch some fish. So I've been out here for a while. The sun's starting to go down a little bit, starting to look really nice out here. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment and tell me what you guys are doing during quarantine. If you guys are going out at all, what you're doing at home.
Alright, bữa nay mình xài cái mồi cá nhỏ. Coi cá bự nó ăn không, để coi thử coi. Thích cái đài Robert Wild Adventure, subscribe, bóp cái nút subscribe, không có cần trả tiền gì hết trơn á, free.
Look at that. Wow.
Cá tiếng Mỹ kêu cá bass. Chắc cái này là 4 pound. Xài bò giả. Damn, I very got it. Look. Okay, I want to release Mr. Bass. Oh, awesome.
So we just caught that big bass right now over here, and still working on trying to catch some more. Just out here trying to enjoy and have some fun. Hey guys, so we are done fishing for the day. That was the only fish we caught, was the one you've seen, that big bass. And now we are out of here. So now we're gonna go to the market. We're gonna pick up some stuff there at the market. So if you wanna go, if you wanna come with me, let's go. guys? So we're over here at the gas station. We're gonna get some gas right now. So we're here at the market, and we're gonna get our groceries. This store didn't have what we're looking for, so we're on to the next one. We just got to the Safeway and now we're waiting in line.
Look like it's gonna be a 10-minute wait.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here right now, so it'll be a while. See if we can get in quickly.
See you inside.
Alright, so same like the other Safeway. Food is out, a lot of shelves are empty. I know they have that outbreak at the warehouse, so food's not getting delivered to the store. Look like here, they got a sticker on the floor telling everyone to go one way and not going every which way down the aisles to keep the distance. Well, this will be the end of the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me which part of the video you like the best. Be safe and be kind. Hả?